Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Warrenville, local and long distance movers near me. With our long distance movers, you get the right professional services you require for a much easier move. Regardless of how far you need to relocate, our expert crew of movers can make it so much simpler. By having the right moving services to help you, any type of move, small or large, becomes so much easier. Our experts take care of all the important moving choices, including the following: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. Choosing to hire a local Illinois moving company might not seem like it's worth the price. A local moving company offers many benefits which can make it well worth the cost. You're certainly going to save time with your local relocation when you work with a moving company. Minimizing the heavy lifting also requires an additional benefit you get from working with the right local movers. Our team of qualified movers will make sure your move is very efficient. You don't have to worry about spending several days handling your move when you pick 3 movers to help. A move that would take you all weekend to finish, we can manage in a single day. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Warrenville moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.